Insta360 1 our twin edition unboxing. We preferred to use this action camera for the next remote control car video shootings. It has many features: Super 5.7K 360 degrees capture, 4K wide angle, flow state stabilization, waterproof to 5 meter, invisible selfie stick, auto frame, hyperlapse, point to track, voice control, slow motion, HDR photo and video, night shot. Let's check what we have inside of the box. 4K wide angle lens and body together in here. When I first looked at it, it gave me the impression of Lego. You need to assemble two lenses and a body plus battery and case together. If you want to see yourself on the screen during video shooting, you can combine the lens and the screen so that they face the same side. However, if you are going to shoot video on the front, you can turn the screen 180 degrees and insert it. When you want to use a 360 degrees lens, you take it off and put the other one on. C-type charging slot and micro SD card slot are here. You can plug in a power bank and shoot time-lapse videos for hours. I guess my favorite feature will be the invisible selfie stick. I want to try the waterproof feature in water as soon as possible. No matter which way you turn the camera, it is a nice feature that it always keeps you in the center. I added such a clip at the end of the video. Now it's time to put the battery. When I combine it on the battery, the dimensions are the same as the GoPro 7 which I bought before. This means that I can use many accessories that I bought for GoPro before, with the Insta360. It can be easy to scratch because the 360-degree lens glass is very protruding. For example, when you put it on the floor, the glass of the first 360-degree lens touches the ground. For this, there is a lens protection cover in the box. Now it's time to install protective cage on Insta360. Then I will download the camera application. I don't know how to edit and use the Insta360 Studio application, as I just bought it. Once I know how to use the camera, I will test its features and I will add video samples. Compatible with GoPro in these attachments. In the box you will find many documents about its use, plus labels and a cloth for cleaning the camera. Thanks for watching.